Welcome to the Creative Glass Guild Guide to Cutting Glass. I'm going to show you how to cut glass using an oil-filled glass cutter. Now firstly, you need to use your oil-filled glass cutter with the screw on the top and held like a pencil. For cutting a straight line, we use a right-angled cutting square with a lip which hooks over the edge of the glass to create a straight line at 90 degrees. We hold the glass cutter at 45 degrees, and for a straight line we pull towards us. Now you need to apply around about 3 pounds of pressure. What you're looking for is a noise that sounds something like this. You need to make sure that as you're scoring, you score very smoothly and in one motion. Don't go over the same score twice because it will blunt your glass cutter very quickly. Now take your glass and hook your 4 fingers either side of the score, like that, with your thumbs on the top, and simply twist away. Now that's a simple straight line break. If you want to cut a more complicated line, for example a wiggly line, start at the other end and push away from you. Keep the movement nice and smooth and steady, all the way to the end of the glass. Now there are 2 ways of breaking the glass. You can either tap underneath, like that, which is quite noisy, but it does break the score open all the way along. My preferred method is to turn the glass over so the score is on the bench. Take your rubber-handed pliers and press on the back. Work the score all the way down, seeing the score opening up as you go. And then you can hear it's just broken. Pick it up and it will just come apart. Now the third way of cutting glass is to use pliers. There are 2 sorts of pliers. Grazing pliers like these, which have a curved blade underneath and a flat blade on the top, and cut running pliers like these, which simply do the bending of the glass for you so that it breaks easily. For a thin straight line, use your grazing pliers like this. Flat blade on the top, curved blade underneath. Start at one end and simply twist away. To use the cut running pliers, and I have the metal ones here rather than the plastic ones. The metal ones last a bit longer and are slightly more powerful. Simply line up the line that's on the top of the pliers, just here, with the score that you've just made on the glass. Squeeze and break. So those are the 3 methods of glass cutting, and if you'd like to watch our next video I'll show you how to cut circles.